Okay, we're back. There you go. Nice autumn day here in Maine. Alright, hope that dog don't come after me. That would be bad. Anyways, that's where I used to live. And we're going to go see if there's the old cars down here. That's right. When you're in Maine, you got to talk like a Mainer. Although I don't talk that good. I've lost the accent, but I can sort of do it. Alright, so here we go. Been cut down some, I guess. Should still be here. Oh yeah, enjoy the nice scenery. Nice fall scenery. Alright, let's see if the old abandoned cars that are still down here. Let's see, one of them was a Hudson. Anyone remember what a Hudson used to look like? No, I guess not. It used to be right about here. Oh, that's too bad. No, they took them out. I guess when they were doing some logging in here, they took the cars out and just dumped them. Well, that's too bad. Oh, we'll get some old farm equipment down there. Well, I didn't get a Hudson, but I got that anyways. Pretty poor shape. And some old equipment. Look at that, huh? Nice thorns. Hey, let's see if we can go around the thorns. Hey. Alright. Walking through the Maine woods. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's some old farm equipment. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? That is some sort of exhaust. Okay, now let's see, there's the old wheels there. Tires are long gone. Alright. Oh, look at that. Old mattress. Let's see, that might have been a seat. I bet that was the seat. Oh look, there's another one right there. Some more old equipment. Let's see, what the hell was this? Alright, so I think you'd sit right there. Huh. Alright, so I guess, might have been for corn? Who the hell knows? Anybody who's a farmer knows? Let's see. There's the cutting blades right there. Let's see, there's the hitch. Okay, there's the drive shaft right there. Alright, that's where it came out. Huh. Anyways, it cut up, go out there, get sorted out. Let's see. Huh, a little chute there. Alright, so some old farm equipment here in this little smack of woods. I guess they'd call it a copse. Alright, let's go see what that other thing is over there. Alright, let's hope there's no dog to greet me, because you know how dogs are. Very territorial. Alright, let's see what's... Oh yeah, that was part of the window of the Hudson. So yeah, this is where it was, right about here. Huh, gone. It's taken out. Thrown in the dump probably. Yep. That's where it was. Some old stone foundation. Let's see what we got here. Huh. Let's see. Looks, I got the discs there, so that's some sort of plow. Alright, some old abandoned. Yeah, look at that. The old metal wheels. Yeah, so that's definitely very, very, very old. Old farm equipment. They have metal wheels. Alright, yeah. Yeah, this stuff is ancient. Huh. Look at that. There's the Alright, there you go. There you go. They probably attach this to horses. Okay. Foundation hole. All rotted. Yeah, so. Okay. Huh. Oh yeah, here's some trim. Yeah, that's the trim on the old Hudson. Yep, so yeah, it was here, but gone. Okay. See you later. Hope you enjoyed my little trip out here in the Maine woods, out here in the these abandoned areas that you can find anywhere you care to look. Ooh, ouch. Careful of those thorns. Okay. Bye-bye.